This video will explore what you need to do when Gutenberg is released in WordPress Core. You might find some changes to your site. This video is focusing on Elementor, the Elementor page builder. There's not a lot you need to do. It's really pretty straightforward. For example, if we edit this page here, you can see this is pretty much how this is pretty much how an Elementor site would work with the Elementor launcher button here, allowing us to edit the page with Elementor, like so. Go back. Now, the only new feature is this Gutenberg element up here, which isn't going to do anything for us while we've got Elementor installed. We can add blocks, but they don't do anything. They don't go anywhere. We can see them being added into the block list here, but they're nowhere to be edited on the page. So this is kind of useless for us. So to get rid of this, we need to activate a plugin. We need to activate the Classic Editor plugin here. So I've got it installed. I just haven't activated it yet. And for those that need to know, we can add the Classic Editor plugin by just doing a search for Classic Editor and just installing this one. I've already installed it, so I'll just activate it. Once it's activated, then we reload this page on the left and it's business as usual, back to this same old Elementor page editor, which you're used to. So that's it for this video. Let us know if you have any more questions. You can hit us up on the Facebook channel, or you can contact us through our website, wordpressmelbourne.com.